Frog's Point Honey, let's cook! For this recipe, you're going to need some dates, fresh basil, prosciutto, goat cheese, hot honey, and a ripe Fresno pepper. As usual, all ingredients are in the description down below. Add the hot honey to the cheese and mix it very well. Cut your dates in half, then seed and chop your pepper into thin strips. In each date, put in a little slice of pepper and then some of the cheese mixture and top with a basil leaf. Wrap each stuffed date in a slice of prosciutto just big enough to not quite cover it. For presentation purposes, you want a little bit of that cheese and basil sticking out. When you're done, arrange them nicely on a plate to make a beautiful rosette. Let's eat! Thank you for watching, everybody. Please click like down below and don't forget to subscribe.